Hello friends, this is Ashwin from visittemples.com and today I'm going to take you to a beautiful temple that is being built in Bhuvanagiri Ghatta of Rajampet Mandal in Kadapa district of Andhra Pradesh. Come, let's get into the video. Today we are going to see about Lakshmi Narasimha Swami temple that is being built on a small hillock in Bhuvanagiri Ghatta. This hilltop temple is located slightly away from the arterial road which is leading to the Kadapa city. There is a huge welcome arch that has been erected in the starting point of the foothill, which has been sculpted and painted beautifully, that gives street to the eyes of the devotees who is visiting this temple. The ghat road leading to this temple looks quite amazing since it is covered with lush green grasses and many other plants on either side of the road. And there is a small tributary that is flowing across the road, makes one feel that he is traveling to a hill station. Though driving through this ghat road looks quite fascinating, one has to be careful while driving up and down the hill since the ghat road is too narrow. There is a well-maintained stairway for the devotees who wish to travel to this temple by foot. The presiding deity of this temple is Lord Narasimha Swami, who is an incarnation of Lord Mahavishnu, and he is portrayed here in this temple as Lion God. Lord Narasimha Swami looks calm in this temple since he is accompanied by his consort, Goddess Mahalakshmi. The devotees who don't have vehicle to travel up the hill has no problem here since there are a lot of paid share auto facility that picks one from the arterial road and drops in front of the temple up the hill and vice versa. Since Saturdays are considered to be the auspicious day for Lord Narasimha, there are lots of pujas that has been performed in this temple on Saturdays. The temple is being run by an advisory committee, and that committee is making sure that the temple is well cleansed and maintained every day. The temple complex is beautifully designed and well built, and small renovations and paintings are performed in this temple to attract the internal peace of the devotee. The temple complex has been compounded with a tall iron fencing. Though the area on the top of the hill is too small, the advisory committee has done quite a good job by making a car and two-wheeler park in front of the temple tower. This temple has given importance to other gods too by creating shrines for them. A beautifully sculpted idol of Lord Vinayaka is being placed opposite to the presiding deity of Lord Narasimha Swami. And there are enclosures for Navagragas and Nagadevatas in this temple. Providing annadhanam to the devotees who is visiting this temple on auspicious day is the prominent factor of this temple. Inside the temple complex, there are two temple-owned shops. Apart from prasadam, they provide divine toys, books, and stickers to the devotees. This temple is open to all devotees on all 7 days from morning 6 a.m. to evening 7 p.m.